guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. In today's video, I am cleaning after all the Christmas decor madness, all the glitter. This video, I really pushed myself. I cleaned so much, glitter everywhere. And before I keep ranting on about all this madness, I just want to point out that I got this little basket for $8.40 at this store called Retail Rebel. It's in Kansas City where I live, and it's just literally the cutest thing. This is a Target brand called the Threshold, and it was $30 from Target. And I also got this, I don't know what it's called. I'm not sure if it's like a diffuser, but you pretty much just put water and an essential oil with a smell, and it mists it out, and it smells really good. I got that there as well for $10. And here is one of the reasons why the house is such madness, but he's so darn cute. I really just can't even get mad at him. And my dining room table is a hot mess. I've been doing so much Christmas wrapping. My husband and I have been going through some stuff, which is why there's all these papers. Everything's good. We are happily married, but we had to bust out all these papers, which made our dining room table a complete mess. And then of course Max's hair. You guys already know where that's from now. And also the kitchen really needs some love as well. Like, everything needs to be wiped down, put into place. These two bags right here on the ground are from our recycle. I just put everything in one bag. Sometimes they're hanging on that door, which you guys will see in some videos, but it's just our recycle. And on my kitchen cabinets, my husband and I painted them a while ago, but they are so gross. There are fingerprints, food stains dripping from like soda or water or juice, grease. It's just a complete mess. And one more thing before I start is I did do this cleaning within 2 days, so you will see a little bit of a light change and me in two different outfits. Anyways, let's get started. So for my hardwood floors, I use this Real Clean Floors cleaner, and it has like an orangey scent to it, My floors are shiny, but after this dries, they look matte, and I love using this. It literally makes our floors look flawless. I will try to link down below where I got it from. And I just wanted to take a quick second to show you guys the madness that the camera doesn't show you while I'm cleaning and how much moving around. I have a fan on to dry the floors a little quicker. I have this little tornado throwing everything on the floor. My sofas are sectional, so they're just a little crazy, but this was a little reminder to tell you to keep going. You are a badass and don't stop. So this is day 2 of cleaning, and I'm using this Tack cloth to clean the floors. I'm not vacuuming on this second day, but for this Tack cloth, it fits perfectly on my Swiffer, and I don't have to go through my floors super fast or super slow. It pretty much just picks up all that dog hair, and you can see right here a close-up, it picks up a little extra trash, a little extra dog hair that happened through the night, and it's super sticky. It works so good. My husband gets it at the hardware store where he gets the floor cleaners that I will link down below. I cleaned my cabinets, I literally just used this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and it literally is what it says on the box. It's magic. They cleaned the cabinets so well, literally every stain was gone, and I highly recommend that anyone uses it for their cabinets, especially if they're white like mine. So for my kitchen floors, I used Pledge Clean It Multi-Surface Cleaner. Do not knock it until you try it. Well, if your floors can handle it, it's a multi-surface cleaner, and my floors are just laminate, so it worked perfect, and the scent smells amazing. And that is it for this video, guys. I filmed this outro at the end of the day, so you can literally see that I'm holding a flashlight so I can get good lighting. So please don't judge me on that. But I just wanted to show you the after of everything nice and clean. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys all in my next video.